Hi students, a very good morning to everybody. Today we will learn a poem from your course book, unit number 1.1. The title of the poem is Walk a Little Slower. In this poem, the speaker is a small child who is speaking to his father. The meaning of walk a little slower means the action of a person or the behavior of a person should be proper. Now, I will learn the poem. I will read the poem stanza by stanza and then explain in English. First stanza. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so smart. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. In this stanza, a small child is requesting a father to act properly because the small child is following the actions of his father. Now, the second stanza. Sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see. So, walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. Here, the child again says to father that his actions are very fast and not proper. So, his father is leading to child and child is following him. Now, the third stanza. Someday, when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be, then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. In the third stanza, the child again says a father that after some time he will be adult or the grown up and he will be a citizen whatever his father wants now. On the same time, he would have also any child and at that time he would be the role model of his child. So, he want to be a good citizen and a role model for the child. Last concluding stanza. And I would want to lead just right and know what I was true. So, walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. In the concluding stanza of the poem, the child is requesting his father to lead him properly because he wants to become a true and positive human being, because after some days he would be also a role model of a child and he want to lead his child. So the small children is requesting a father to behave properly. Now, the poetic device of the poem. In this poem, the poet has used some figure of speech, but the main figure of speech, look at the second stanza and third line. I will read it. So, walk a little slower, daddy. Here, look here. Yes in slow, so, and yes in slow is repeated. So, it is alliteration. Again, the second line in the first stanza, said a little child so small. Look which word is repeated, which letter is repeated here. Yes in said, yes in so, and yes in small, means 3 times the letter yes is repeated. So it is the example of alliteration. Okay, the rhyming scheme of the poem: daddy, small, footsteps and fall, means generally the rhyme scheme should be from the letter A to the Z. The first letter daddy means A. Second small, it does not also match the rhyming scheme, so it is B. Then footstep, it is C. And then fall matches to all. So what would be the rhyme scheme? A, B, C, B. What is rhyme scheme? A, B, C, B. So now let us stop me here and you have to solve all the activities of the poem. Okay.